Local anesthesia is applied just before starting suturing, in order to ensure that the patient will be more cooperative during the suturing process. The needle is usually 22 to 24 G, inserted lateral, to the one edge of the wound, at an angle of about 45 degrees, or depending on the depth of the traumatic area. Aspiration is needed to ensure that the anesthetic agent will not administered intravenous. Following, and as we withdrawn the needle, we administer the drug slowly in both sides of the wound. We have to repeat the punctures as many times as needed to cover all the wounded area, puncture at a point that is already under anesthesia, with an angle of 45 degrees, aspiration and slowly administration of the anesthetic preparation.